Hi, welcome to Cooking's channel. This is Nico. During the live show, I will introduce this direct casting aluminum multi-purpose workbench to you. You must hear the words multi-purpose. So, what function do this work have? I will tell you all the details in the following show. Well, first, as you can see, it's packed in the mailbox. Since we sell these products on our domestic market online, the mailbox its packaging must be mailbox with ISTA job tester standard to ensure the safe during the delivery. The packaging from the cooking are well designed. We do our best in terms of space and the cost while remaining safe. It's very suitable for the online seller. Now I will open it to show the inner strategy for your reference. Okay, let me introduce this work. The size is 32 centimeters. The height is 9.4 centimeters. That will focus on the inner side. This is non-stick coating. Of course, you have another options like marble, granite, and ceramic. As you can see, there is no reference on these parts, so it's very convenient for us to clean, and we don't worry something attached on the surface. Okay, as you can see, there is a label. This is water quality label. It tells us how many waters should we add when we steam the foods. Okay, let me see the outside. This is heat-resistant lacquer. The color can be changed as you like. Just offer us the pantry number or color sample. Okay, let me introduce the induction. This is induction button. So we can use these products in all kinds of stovetops like gas, electric, and so on. Do you know the advantage for induction? It can more even heat transfer and energy saving. Okay, let me show you the handle. This is bakelite handle with soft touch. We add the ear to save our efforts when we carry it. Okay, let me introduce this stack. There is 2 years with soft touch. The performance of heat resistant is really good. When we fry the fish, this part can regard as the strainer. Okay, we add another one. In the morning, when we boil the eggs, we can steam some dumplings at the same time. It will save a lot of energy and time for us. The neat NASA design is really good. It can save a lot of space for us. Okay, let me introduce this glass lid. The glass lid is transparent, so we can see the inside condition very easily. This is the handle. This is the safety valve. This is the vent. Look at the edge. It's coated by the silicone, so it can fit the wall perfectly. It will arrive the macro press effect. I really like this color. This is the Pantone Nearly color. It's so popular. If you don't like this color, you can change it. I really like this knob design because it can stand on the table. Okay, let me show you. It's really good, right? Okay, friends, if you want to customize your logo, you can emboss the logo on the bottom, laser logo on the body, so you can print a logo on the handle, on the knob, or the glass lid. It's up to you. Okay, finally, I want to share some advantages to cooperate with cooking. You know, we always regard our customer as our partner. We develop new cookware together and lead hot salad cheat in the market. So, if you have some innovation in your mind, our technician will realize it in depth. There is a big team in our R&D department to support us. And all the cookware from cooking can pass through the grade tester like DGCCRF, LFGB, and FDA. We know all the tester standards because of our nearly 40 years experience in this industry. If you are from Europe, you must be interested in product recycle project. We've got RCA certification for the 100% aluminum dry casting cookware. If you are interested, please contact with us. We'll tell you more details about this. Maybe someone sees the NOQ is a little high. Yes, I know it's hard to start a business if you are new in this industry. The normal NOQ for OEM is as less as 1,000 pieces per item. But now, you have another choice to get a small NOQ to sell the cookware. You could be our agency. We have agency abroad as their business is quiet now. So we think you can try it. Okay, friends, if you want to know more information about cooking, you can contact with us directly or visit our website. We are always waiting for you. See you next time. Bye.